to most of us needs no introduction. He is none other than Sugata Mitra. In my language, which is Bengali, we call him Sugato, but it becomes a bit anglicized when we say Sugata. Most of you are familiar with his TED Talks and YouTube videos, so you know more about him perhaps than I know. So just to tell you more about him, he is currently Professor of Educational Technology at the School of Education, Communication and Language Sciences at the Newcastle University, Newcastle University, UK. Presently, he is also the visiting professor at MIIT Media Lab, and he's started his career as a physicist, working mostly on solid-state physics at the Indian Institutes of Technology, New Delhi, before his interest shifted to minimally invasive education. He has his PhD in physics, and he is credited with more than 25 innovations in the area of cognitive science and education technology. His interest in the human mind led him into the areas of learning and memory, and he was amongst the first in the world to show that stimulated neural networks can help decipher the mechanisms of Alzheimer's disease. He was among the first people to invent voluntary perception recording and a hyperlinked computing environment several years ahead of the internet. However, his current area of research, which is minimally invasive education, and it all started in 1999 when he conducted the experiment which is known as the hole in the wall. Now, the key of this experiment is he's trying to show to us that when a computer is placed somewhere in a kiosk within a wall where children are allowed to use it freely, these children learn on their own how to use it. They don't need any kind of a formal training to know how to do that. And I think his presentation is going to focus on the future of learning, and it's better to request Professor Mitra to deliver his talk. Over to Professor Mitra.